Well, this is the team we got here, man.
Yeah. My name is Monnu Nayem, and here also two people. We are teammates. We work together, and we provide digital marketing service worldwide. So
Didn't I talk to you originally months and months ago? I think it was you, maybe not.
yes.
That's what I
Before
thought.
we have complete these types of meeting.
Holy cow, we got all sorts of people jumping all over the place here. Hi,
Wow,
guys.
thank you.
Hey, I wanted to ask if you go to my YouTube channel, have you guys seen it at this point at all? Anybody? Anyway, uh, at Rod Duff 1939, uh, in some of the marketing, he just put up a invite or an announcement for the on my YouTube channel for this Friday upcoming. And by the way, it's 11 a.m. Friday is when the show is, not 3 p.m., 11 a.m. like he has it. First question is, how did he do that? And second question is, how do I make sure that my streaming uh, points at that? Will the when I start, will people know? I guess. Let me share what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Okay.
Share
Oh,
your
you
screen,
gotta
I think.
you gotta let me share. Well,
Share
this is
your
the
screen to
team
me.
we got here, man.
My name is Monnu Nayem, and here also two people. We are teammates. We work together, and we provide digital marketing service worldwide. So
Didn't I talk to you originally months and months ago? I think it was you, maybe not.
yes.
That's what I
Before
thought.
we have complete these types of meeting. So this is our second meeting. So give me 2 minutes.
That's
Bye.
not fair. You guys having your own conversation behind me.
Our mother language is Bangla, so I just told him, please give me the scan share access. So just give me 2 minutes, they'll send you the access. Okay. Sir, now we can share your scan.
Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, cool. Thanks.
Yeah.
Um,
Well,
so if I go,
you share your scan?
yeah, hang on. I'm looking for the YouTube.
Okay, sure.
Um,
We're waiting.
let me see if it's pulling up my whole screen. So let me see if I can move this over.
Okay, you
Do
take
you see
time and
that?
fine. We see.
Okay, so that's on my YouTube. I didn't put that on there. You guys did. I'm just curious how you did that, how you were able to put that onto my YouTube channel with this upcoming podcast, A Quick Hello from Rod Duff.
Okay,
A question,
okay.
and then I've got another question.
Okay, I understand that. So, Delor bhai, just give me sir 2 minutes. Just discuss about this matter on Delor. Okay. In morning, Delor working for this video. Delor share this video the other top social media sites like promotion work.
How? I mean, do
Okay.
you have permissions to my YouTube?
Yeah, you can see up like search bar youtube.com slash live these types of one things. You can see URL, YouTube URL.
What's that?
Can you give me your mouse control access? Just approve.
Me?
Just
Yeah,
approve these things.
that's a good idea.
Okay, thank you so
Go
much.
ahead.
Okay, so you can see this is your YouTube video link. Okay, so they lower this link promote on the other top social media sites. If you want another method is SEO work. If you want to, we can do SEO for you. Then we need your channel manager access for complete our SEO work. So you not send any types of access so that Delaware just work for you only promotion work.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Now, when I live stream, I haven't started a live stream yet. When I do, I ask it to connect to YouTube. Will it automatically connect to this one right here so that when people click on it, I'll be there instead of on a different, you know what I mean? You know how YouTube you can set up a broadcast?
Yes,
My
podcast.
broadcast automatically go to that?
Yeah. So when you started live, then Delaware your video link, share our UK, Canada, these types of these people is seeing your video, and when people see, then your video is reaching many where and you can get some views. So these things Delaware do for you.
Okay.
Sir, if you want, then we can do these things. If you give me just editor or manager access on this channel, then Delaware also do this types of things. This that's called is YouTube SEO work. If you give me
Yeah.
the manager and editor access, then they'll do SEO work. Then you can get the more views and more subscriber easily. That's the full organic work. So I think if you hire they'll also the SEO work, I think it's better for us. So they'll give you the some discount, no problem.
Okay. All right. Okay. I got it now, guys. I really appreciate your
Yes.
time and I appreciate you helping out.
Okay, okay. So thank you so much. So if you have any problem after, then you can tell me Dilwar, then we will join again meeting. No problem.
It will do. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
Okay, so no problem. So if you have any question or not.
no.
Yeah.
I just sent him on his LinkedIn, Denise's profile.
Okay.
I just wanted to make sure he saw that and if he reached out to her yet.
Okay, okay. You send Dilwar also check all of your
Already
everything, no
did.
problem.
Already did. Already
Yeah.
sent it to him. It's on his LinkedIn messages.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So
Hey, guys, thanks a lot. You have a
yeah.
wonderful day.
Okay, okay. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
You too. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir. Thank you so much.
You bet. Thank you.